Here it is, another modification to the LZ0. Now this oil pan will fit LM2 and LZ0. If you're unfamiliar, LM2 is the first generation of the 3-liter Duramax diesel in the Silverado Sierras and Suburbans, Tahoes, Yukons, you name it. So here's what we've got. This pan is sweet. This is a heavy duty pan and it's cast aluminum. It's going to add 2 quarts of engine oil in here. PPE actually says on their website that they saw an increase from 7 to 9.5. Now they're probably using their oil filter, which is slightly larger than the factory one. So just in case you didn't have the part number, that's what that is. So with this pan, you're going to get hardware, right? So these are Allen bolts. You're going to get the instruction manual, which actually isn't an instruction manual. It's more of just, here's the torque sequence that you want to do. And so I will do a full install video on how to do this, but for right now, I will just show you the pan itself. But let me mention one more thing. This is what I'm going to use right here. This is what we use at the dealership to seal up these Duramax diesel oil pans. So this, you just put it in a caulking gun and squeeze it on there, nice little thin. And I'll outline that in my how-to video later on. But that's what you get. You get the pan. You know what? Let me throw out one more thing. You see this sweet drain plug? There's a copper washer on there. That needs to be replaced each time you do an engine oil change. And they do provide the part number for you. So if you go ahead and order an oil pan, you could also throw on a couple extra of those copper washers. But I'm also going to try to source like what it's going to take if you're in a bind and like you need it like right now and you want to do something like Amazon overnight delivery or whatever it is. I'm going to try to see what else it is, but it's a 14 millimeter copper washer, so it shouldn't be that difficult. But if you're going to order the oil pan, you can order a couple extras, throw in some oil filters in there. But yeah, this thing's sweet. Before I let you go, let me tell you one thing. This does fix a flaw, all right? See this right here? That is nice and smooth and it goes straight to the drain plug and it's going to drain everything in there. The factory design actually has a step in there where it collects all the debris and crap in there. You don't want that. You don't want that buildup. Not to mention the factory pan is a stamped aluminum one-time use pan. This one is reusable. It also doesn't drain out all the oil. So this pan will actually drain out all of the oil and you'll get a much better oil change each time. But yeah, here's a little close-up of it. This one is obviously in black. And they offer it in raw as well. So it's clearance for everything that you need. 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, does not matter. Get you one.